Hey there, I'm Scott, and welcome to the Craftsman Blog YouTube channel. I'm so glad you stopped by today because this channel is all about teaching you how to restore your old house and helping you DIY better. I'm a restoration contractor, and you'll be learning all kinds of things here like windows, plaster, floors, tile, woodworking, really anything that has to do with an old house. I post new videos a couple times a month covering all kinds of topics. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time a new video drops. Also, you need to check out my website, thecraftsmanblog.com. I post there every week with new content, new products too that you'll need to restore your old house. It's the best website on the internet. Roll up your sleeves and get ready to get your hands dirty, because I'm going to teach you how to fix up your old house and DIY better than you've ever done before, right here on the Craftsman Blog YouTube channel.